Hi, and welcome to Instead Say This, the channel where we take overly used common words and show you alternatives to make your English better. Today we will look at 3 synonyms for rain. Example 1. You should expect light rain at the party. Instead, say this. You should expect a light drizzle at the party. Example 2. I like going to sleep whilst listening to the rain. Instead, say this. I like going to sleep whilst listening to a downpour. Example 3. You should drive slowly if there is heavy rain. Instead, say this. You should drive slowly if there is a deluge. Rain, drizzle, downpour, deluge. Post your examples in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you next time.